Let's explore JSX expressions and how to use JavaScript expressions inside JSX with the curly braces syntax. This is a fundamental concept for writing dynamic and interactive user interfaces in React. JSX expressions allow you to embed JavaScript code directly inside your JSX markup using curly braces. This is a powerful way to insert dynamic content, perform calculations, and control the rendering of your components. Here's the basic syntax for using JSX expressions. First, we declare a constant variable named name and assign it a value of React. Inside the return statement within the h1 tag, we have hello followed by curly braces with the variable name inside. This will render hello React on the screen. Let's look at some simple expressions. We declare a variable named user and assign the string John, declare age and assign the number 25, and declare score and assign the number 95.5. Inside the div tag, there are 3 paragraph tags. The first one shows the user, the second shows the age, and the third one shows the score using curly braces. JSX expressions also allow performing JavaScript operations. Let's declare price and assign the value 100, then declare quantity and assign the value 3. Inside the div tag, the first paragraph shows total. Here the price is multiplied by the quantity to get the total price. Second paragraph shows the message where the string hello is concatenated with the user variable. The third paragraph shows how to convert name to uppercase using the toUppercase function. We can also use conditional expressions inside JSX. First, we declare is logged in and assign a Boolean value true. Then we declare score and assign the number 85. Inside the div tag, we have a ternary operator that checks whether is logged in is true or false. Based on that, it either prints welcome or please log in. In the second line, we are checking if score is greater than or equal to 90. If it is, then the span tag containing excellent will be shown. Array methods can also be used in JSX expressions. We declare a variable called items and assign an array of strings such as apple, banana, and orange. Inside the unordered list tag, the items array is being mapped over to return list items. Each list item has a key attribute that's assigned the item, and the value that is displayed is also the item. Let's explore some best practices when using JSX expressions. They are perfect for values, calculations, and function calls. However, avoid using objects directly in JSX, instead use properties. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.